Hey guys, welcome back to No Greater Love. Last video we did a full walk around on the Love, so if you haven't watched that video, I would pause this one and go watch that. So today we're going to strip out the interior, see what's the floor pan looks like, and see if there's any rust or anything like that. But today our big goal is to find the locking socket lug nut.
We gotta get these tires off.
Yes.
We're gonna put some junk tires on here so we can roll it around. Obviously,
of course,
we can't move this thing very much. It's up on blocks right now, makeshift blocks, but we like some junk tires on here so we could pull it out of the shop and work on it in the open air and move it around when we need to. But we absolutely need to find that that socket for the locking hub.
Yeah.
And so hopefully that's somewhere underneath the seats.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pull the seats out, pull the carpet out. Pull any extra accessories out, set those things aside, and so we can, see what we're working with as far as rust on the cab.
Let's get started.
Yo!
So, this is what
all right, obviously, this is going to be a full removal. I mean, there's nothing, as far as the material interior, there's nothing usable. We're not sure what we're going to do with all, dash form and gauges yet, and radio and stereo. But as far as all the material goes, what do we need to do?
Just take it all out.
Take it all out. Take it all out. All right, let's get started.
First things first, let's get these seats out of here. Kind of got that one off, that one off. Now I have to get these
How do the nuts look?
Oh, that one right there.
Oh, don't look too bad. Go ahead.
And that one's like behind some stuff.
Is that a 12 millimeter socket?
It's gonna be pretty hard to break it free. There we go.
Get it?
Yep.
Oh, not better.
Gosh.
That better?
This is the worst.
The worst?
Yep, it's the worst.
One time there's like 25 Chileans stuck in a cave for like 3 weeks, and this is the worst?
What's a Chilean?
Someone from Chile. All right, go, 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 go.
I think I'm tightening it.
No, you're loosening it.
Yeah, but it feels like it.
Yep. You know what?
Oh my goodness.
Let's get some spray, and we'll lube up the other one before we mess with it. Go ahead. We're not going to reuse these seats.
It's a drive shaft.
We're not going to reuse these seats, so I'm not concerned about the threads, but we definitely want it to come out. Here, let me see it from this side.
Yeah, you do that. It's probably easier from that side because you like pull it.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. Has nothing to do with me being a stronger man, huh?
No.
has to do with my location.
Yep.
You're probably right. Well, there we go. Nope. I always do that. With the ratchet, it's like, oh, I can do it with my fingers now, and then it proves how weak I am. All right. Oops. There's that and that.
Oh, that's why it was so hard to get it off. It's a locking washer.
Well, we'll save that for now, and then get the last one. Pull the seat out.
Yep.
All right.
The washers did not fall off.
That should be all four. So we should be able to pull the seat out. Let's go. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. We're gonna pull this first seat out. Maybe that locking socket is underneath here.
Yeah, it would make sense if it was under the driver's seat.
I would love that if we just pulled this up and it was just sitting right there.
Yeah.
There's only 4 bolts underneath, or 4 nuts.
Yeah. Coming right out.
I feel like I'm hooked to something.
Yeah, there's a Sharpie down there.
I think I'm taking some carpet with me.
Anything down there?
All right, well, that's the seat.
Sharpie, pen.
Yeah.
There's a not a lug nut. Whatchamacallit right there.
I see some rust, but I also see some black paint. So that's some wires going through here.
Doesn't appear to be
any
locking like that.
Oh, it's like a tie. Yeah, it looks like for ground beef. Looks like a pack of ground beef. Cut the tie off.
From the Lockford meat.
No, there's a socket, but nothing.
Lockford meat market, probably.
Yeah, that's where she worked. All right, cool. Let's get the other seat out.
Yep.
All right, if you slide further under here, the first nut is on the other side of this catalytic converter. Again, none of this looks terrible.
What's a catalytic converter?
Catalytic converter? It takes all the takes the exhaust and the unburned fuel, and it burns it up in that little guy so that it spits out clean air, because we care about the environment. All right.
Oh, so it's part of the smog system.
Yes, get on that nut. Broke free pretty easy, huh?
Yeah. It's going really easy now.
You sound like a ship coming into port.
Yeah, this drive shaft.
Ringing the church bell with the drive shaft. Anytime we anticipate doing a project, we should come out and hit it with some break-free sauce. I'm serious, you sound like you're making me want some clam chowder, some calamari. Sounds like a boat ship, a boat bell.
It's missing it now.
All right.
It's so loose that it's not.
Yep, pull it off and try to get it with your fingers. Probably not. You get it? Sweet.
Both the
next one.
Came off. All right, I need the extension. Thank you.
Were you wearing your hat sideways or what?
Yeah, because I was wearing it like the normal way, and it knocked rust in my eyes.
Well, if you had a good dad, you would have safety glasses and gloves.
Yeah, well, you ran him over with the mower. So.
I ran him over with the mower. Oh yeah, you're right. All right, let's get this other seat out, passenger side seat. California insurance card. Here's something interesting. Insurance cards identifies as a 1978. The actual original pink slip, not the title, but the pink slip that came out of California said 1978 on it. But 78 didn't have the dual headlights. So I'm not sure if it was sold in 78 and it was considered a 78, or if they were confused. But there's got to be somewhere that concludes that it's a 77 or a 78. But we'll look into that later. You go back there. All right. Oh, it came out easier. Look at that old Pepsi bottle.
Doesn't appear to be a locking lug nut.
Hey, something. All right. Well, now that we got the seats out, it's time to tear everything else out and vacuum this bad boy out. Earplug if you want to reuse that. All right, let's go. Let's get it cleaned out.
Yeah.
All right, let's start tearing into this.
Yep.
We're gonna throw everything away.
Basically.
Baby girl, can you bring me a garbage bag on this side?
Yeah.
All right, go. Start throwing things in the trash. Garbage.
Oh yeah. Well, you look at that.
I probably should have gloves on like you.
Look at this drive shaft.
Whatever. Yep. Screen.
Nice and clean under there.
That's right.
Dad, can you hand me a flathead screwdriver to get this cup holder on?
Yeah.
Holy moly!
Is that gonna work?
Try to make it work.
Give me that. That flathead screwdriver. I actually found it at like a soccer field, and it was underneath the bleachers.
Dang. They probably used it to put the bleachers together.
Made me think that it was like a murder weapon or something. That other tiny voice you hear is Story. Say hi, Story. She is 10. And she is helping along with this project as well. Well, I think we're in a good spot. Let's give a little rundown here. Take this off. All right. Not terrible. All this stuff is pretty surface. I mean, see if you just scrape it, it goes down to the metal pretty quickly. The driver's side, I think, is great. I think we'll be able to wire brush it out and reseal it and put some preventative on it. This side gets a little heavier, and so we'll have to go. Let me bring this light down here. We'll have to go full force on this and see what we come up with. But hopefully, it's just a little grind out and reseal. It doesn't. There's no like incredibly weak points, and so we'll have to deal with that. I remember when we first spent some time with the truck when we got it. I remember there being water in here coming from probably a clogged up drain duct or something that was coming inside the truck. So this side is probably what got that. And so yeah, we'll grind that out and see where it goes from there. All right, let's go for this door panel. Don't really think I need a razor blade. Crank it. The crank looks good. The tracks look good. Door handle obviously works. We saw that.
That's just a screw on there.
Yeah. All that looks real good. This is all plastic, so that's terrifying.
Interesting.
Yeah. But that's unlatching just fine, and you could escape. Here's some molding. I'm gonna try to get this clip off this side without breaking it like a Neanderthal like I did the other side. Oh, I think I could just pull this off.
Apparently not.
I could just, like I thought that they would just have it come off from the factory. But there's some clip back here. It's pretty difficult to get to. Oh, I got the clip off.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Hey! I didn't break that one.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
We actually have both the... I think we actually might be able to assemble both the handles.
Sweet.
I don't think you broke the last one.
I did it.
Because here's the two other things that came off from this one, too.
I didn't ruin it that time. Put the tools up and we'll wrap it up for the day.
Go. So here's where we're at with the interior. We got the majority out. Still some wires, rust. The floor pan looks pretty good.
We will see when we start grinding that out and sanding it out, but a little wire brushing, see where we're at on that.
There aren't a lot of weak spots.
No,
that's for sure.
Everything's pretty solid.
Yeah.
Got the door panel off successfully, the second one.
Yes.
And I just went at it with the first one, but understood on the second one. So yeah, we're excited how far we got. The disappointing thing, we did not find the locking socket for the lug nut, but we'll get that done somehow. All right. Well, with how comfortable these are you set on the bench seat or bucket seats?
Yeah, I think we might keep these, just put them in there.
Yeah. Hey, we got a lot done today. Tearing out the interior, stripping it down,
Definitely.
seeing what we're dealing with, and I think once we grind some metal out, I'm not grinding some metal, grind some rust out. I think the floor pan is usable. I don't think we're gonna have to patch any spots, but we'll figure that out later once we kind of dive into it. We did not find the socket.
Nope.
For the locking lug nut, but we'll deal with that in another way. Hey, just a reminder, as you see today, it doesn't look great, but sometimes things have to get worse before they get better. And so if you're in one of those areas where just things are tough and trying and you're not doing real well, there's a brighter day. In Ecclesiastes, it says his mercies are new every single day. So the sun is going to come up tomorrow like it always has. So I just encourage you to look forward to that. And yeah, let us know if you have any prayer requests. We'd love to pray for you. See you next episode.
Bye.
Bye. I think I might get an eye infection for putting those sunglasses on.
Probably.
But worth it. You only live once. I'm gonna leave that in the video.
Disgusting chair.